You're gonna blow Mum's. That's because that's, you know, that's the grill as well.
Hello, today.
Me.
Yes, this is part of our family project we're doing. We're going to blow up an egg in the microwave because we're cool like that. So just go around. We're putting for it. Was it 2.5 minutes? We're putting for.
Keep on it because I don't know how long it's going to take for it to.
I'm just gonna keep this here the whole time. See when it explodes. Might take a while. Apologies.
Oh.
If you don't work and it's a complete waste of time, I'm sorry.
Just split.
Hey!